Good day all. Welcome to Module 2, which is Vehicle Basics, Knowing Your Machine. Now, in this module, we'll be looking at knowing car parts and their functions, knowing motorcycle parts and their functions, knowing tricycle parts and their functions, knowing heavy-duty trucks parts and their functions. We'll be learning basic maintenance, checking and topping your fluids. We'll be learning basic maintenance, tire pressure, tread, and bulb replacement. And by way of introduction, we'll be learning why vehicle knowledge matters. A driver who knows their vehicle identifies potential problems before they become failure. A driver who knows their vehicle performs basic maintenance to extend vehicle life. They communicate effectively with mechanics. They make informed decisions in emergencies. The outcome basically is that it increases safety, it boosts confidence, and it is cost efficient. As you can see here in this car here, you can see the various body car parts. It is essential that a driver knows this before setting out for the day. As you can see, you have the roof. This is the roof of the car. This is the trunk. This is the tailgate. This is the back fender. Now, this is a roof post. As you can see, this is a window. This is a sun roof. This is a windshield. This is an outside mirror. This is a windshield wiper. This is a hood, grille, and all of that. These are various car body parts, right? Now, what are some of the common vehicle types? We have 4 major vehicle types, and they are cars, motorcycles, tricycles, and heavy-duty trucks. Cars are complex enclosed systems used for personal transport. Motorcycles are exposed two-wheeled machines that requires balance. Tricycles, normally call them keke in Nigeria, are three-wheeled transporters for passengers and cargoes. Heavy-duty trucks are high-capacity freight vehicles. Each has unique components, handling, and maintenance needs. All vehicles share essential systems. They share these essential systems. Number one is the engine and drivetrain. It creates and transfers power. Then we have the braking system. They slow and stop the vehicle. Then we have the steering and suspension. It controls direction and absorbs shocks. The electrical system is responsible for power starting, lights, and electronics. The fuel and cooling system supplies energy and manages heat. Okay, now we're moving on to what you need to know about car engine types. These are the various kind of engine types. We have the petrol engines, we have the diesel engines, we have the hybrid engines, we have the LPG engines, that's fuel engines, we have the CNG engines. Then what are the type of brake types? We have the drum brake, we have the disc brake, we have the ABS brake, and we have other kinds of brakes too. Now, the petrol engines uses petroleum, while the diesel engine uses diesel. It functions only with diesel. We have the hybrid engines that is a combination of more than one. Then we have the LPG engine that uses gasoline, LPG, like liquid petroleum gas. Then we have the CNG engine that uses only CNG. Then we have car-specific highlights. What are some of the car-specific highlights? We have unibody chassis. This uses body and frame for safety. We have transmission types, which is manual, automatic, or CVT. Then we have the drivetrain layout, which is FWD, ROWD, as you can see, this is it, RWD, and 4x4, that is 4WD. Then we have advanced braking. The ABS prevents wheel lockup. Then we have power steering, that is hydraulic or electric. That's this hydraulic or electric. Then we have motorcycle specific highlights. We have some key motorcycle features, which includes exposed components, the frame, the engine, and the chains are visible. The exposed components at this frame, these things you can see are called the visible or the exposed components. Then we have the balance department. This is called the balance department, where the tires are. These wheels, they are called the balance department. Then we have sequential manual transmission. That is the hand clutch and the foot shifter. The foot shifter and the hand clutch. These are called sequential manual transmission. Then you have the front brake. The front brake located here. It's located there. Then you have tires, which have rounded profile for leaning in corner. So these are tires. These are the wheels, while these are tires. Right? So now, this is a tricycle. This is what a tricycle is. These are some of the highlights. Now you have the delta configuration. These are the two rear wheels. These two rear wheels, this one here and here. Then you have one front wheel, one front wheel. So these are called delta configuration. Then you have the passenger or cargo compartment at the back there. Then you have the modified motorcycle powertrain. It's built for extra loads at the back here, just this place. Then you have stability consideration, higher risk on tip of corners. This is stability. This is it here. Then you have the dual rail brakes. It's inside. It's critical for balance stopping. Then here we have the heavy duty truck. The heavy duty truck, some of the highlights include diesel engines. This is high torque built for 1+ miles. You have the air brake that uses compressed air, fail-safe design. Then you have the multiple axles, uses the tandem or tri-axis for load distribution. Then you have the emission systems. You have the commercial classification, which is class 4/8. Then you have basic maintenance, that is fluid checks. Now check when when the engine is cooled on level ground. Check engine oil, check the coolant, check the brake fluids, check power steering fluids, check the washer fluids for clear visibility, check the transmission fluids, and regularly check to prevent the breakdowns. Now, what are some of the basic maintenance? Let's check tire pressure. Now, why it matters? Incorrect pressure affects handling, wears, and the fuel economy and the safety. How do you check? Use a reliant gauge on cold tires. Compared to manufacturer spec or door placards, adjust as needed. What are some of the frequencies you should be using? Use weekly for personal vehicles, daily for commercial vehicles. Now, what are some of the basic maintenance using tread depth and condition? The legal minimal requirement of the tread depth is 1.6 millimeters. Recommended placements are 3 millimeters. Now, check for wear indicators in growth, uneven wear patterns, signals, alignment, or inflation issues. Check for damages, cracks, bulge, cut inside walls. Rotate tires every 8,000 to 10,000 km for every year. Now, lastly, let's look at basic maintenance for bulb replacement. Why? Safety and legal compliance. The process is that you should wear gloves for halogen bulbs, assess bulbs for engine bay or interior panel, disconnect, replace, reconnect, test, and replace in pairs for even lighting. Keep spares in your vehicle at all times. Now, conclusively, in this module 2, we have learned understanding your vehicle, which allows you to recognize early warning signs of failure, how to perform preventive maintenance, how to operate with greater confidence and control, how to extend the lifespan of your vehicle, and all of that. So we'll be going down now to module 3. We have learned the vehicle basics and how to understand your machine. I'll see you in module 3.